Some fishing reels are made for casual trips, others are built for pressure, power, and serious battles. Shimano has spent decades pushing the limits of spinning reel technology. In this video, we reveal the top 4 best Shimano spinning reels of 2026, reels engineered for smoothness, strength, and extreme durability. Whether you fish freshwater or saltwater, chase trophy fish, or demand the best performance money can buy, this list is for you. And as always, the links to all products are in the description, updated with the best prices, so make sure you use them. Kicking off our list at number 1 is the undisputed king of spinning reels, Shimano's Stella FJ. This isn't just a reel, it's the benchmark for flagship performance, blending unparalleled finesse with brute strength. For anglers who demand the absolute best, the Stella represents the pinnacle of Shimano's engineering. At its core is the Infinity technology suite. Infinity X-Ross strengthens the drive gear by distributing pressure across more surface area, resulting in extreme durability that you can feel season after season. This is paired with Infinity Loop, an ultra-slow oscillation system that lays line perfectly parallel. The result is drastically reduced friction as line flies off the spool, giving you longer, more accurate casts. And when you hook into a monster, Infinity Drive provides incredible winding power, keeping the retrieve light and smooth even under the heaviest loads. Line management is flawless. The anti-twist fin, a flexible polymer fin near the line roller, prevents slackline from looping and tangling, a lifesaver for finesse techniques. The Duracross drag system uses a revolutionary woven material that offers 10 times the abrasion resistance of previous systems, ensuring a silky smooth and consistent payout. That signature, glass-smooth rotation comes from Micro Module Gear 2, meshing ultra-fine teeth with surgical precision. This is all housed within a rigid, hay-gain body, with a cold-forged hay-gain gear, eliminating any flex under torque. The long-stroke spool design further enhances casting distance, while a one-piece titanium bail completes this premium, lightweight, and incredibly strong package. The pro is obvious. You're getting the smoothest, most durable reel on the market. The con? The price is a serious investment. To protect it, a simple freshwater rinse and light oiling after each trip is essential. Price, $864.99. The 2500 and 3000 sizes are perfect for tournament finesse fishing for bass and walleye, while the 4000 and 5000 models excel in demanding inshore environments for redfish and snook. It's for the angler who accepts no compromises. Taking the number 2 spot is the Shimano TWINPOWER FE, a perfect balance of strength, smoothness, and refinement. Built with a core solid hybrid body combining aluminum and CI4+, this reel eliminates flex and delivers incredible rigidity under load. Inside, advanced technologies like Infinity X-Cross distribute force evenly across the gears, significantly improving durability and smoothness. Infinity Loop technology creates a precise line lay, reducing friction and improving casting distance and control. Finished with Duracross drag, the TWINPOWER FE provides consistent, reliable drag performance for both freshwater and saltwater applications. This reel is designed for anglers who want premium performance without going all the way to flagship pricing, ideal for bass, walleye, and inshore reds or snook. Price, $494.99. Coming in at number 3, we have a true ocean beast, the Shimano TWINPOWER SW, a reel built for anglers who demand nothing but pure power. This is not just a fishing reel, it's a battle machine engineered for offshore and blue water fishing, where brutal fights against the strongest species take place. When you're miles offshore and hooked into the fish of a lifetime, you need gear that doesn't just endure, it dominates. The TWINPOWER SW is built around a rock-solid hay-gain body, eliminating flex and vibration under extreme pressure. Combined with X-Protect sealing, it shields the internal components from salt water and corrosion, giving you absolute confidence in the harshest conditions. Borrowing elite technology from the flagship Stella SW, it features Infinity Drive, reducing winding resistance under heavy load, and Heat Sink Drag, which pulls heat away from the spool during long, punishing fights to maintain consistent performance. With a massive 25 kilograms of maximum drag, this reel is made for moments where failure is not an option. Thanks to the cross-carbon drag system, that power is delivered smoothly and steadily, without sudden jerks that can cost you a fish. Its large line capacity makes it perfect for targeting tuna, giant trevally, dogtooth tuna, and even billfish. Yes, it's a heavier reel, but this is a specialized tool designed for extreme fishing, not light tackle finesse. Shimano TWINPOWER SW. Choose it when only the strongest will survive. Price, $550. Number 4. Shimano's Saragosa SW, the saltwater workhorse. A reel known for its toughness and reliability in harsh saltwater environments. Infinity drive boosts winding torque by up to 30%, yet keeps rotation light and smooth. IPX8 rated waterproof body, plus X Protect channeling, deflects water intrusions for long-term reliability, without sacrificing performance. The rigid Haygain body and cold-forged Haygain gear resist flex and grinding under heavy pressure. Cross-carbon drag provides a wide, buttery, smooth range for everything from inshore to offshore when fighting powerful fish. Price, $298, often 8% off. Best value for anglers who fight big fish in tough conditions. Pick by power, protection, and budget. Stella FJ, absolute flagship smoothness and tech for finesse or light inshore. TWINPOWER, FE, rigid core solid value with infinity tech for power finesse. TWINPOWER SW, 14,000 XG, offshore muscle, heat sink drag, and huge line capacity. Saragosa. IPX8 sealed workhorse, best saltwater value, match reel size to species and line class, prioritize sealing for surf and salt, and set drag for 1/3 of line break strength. Links and current pricing are in the description. Tight lines.